Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. I'm so excited to film today's video, guys. I've been waiting to open up these packages since last week because I did want to show you guys what I got. Like, the Amazon packages are more lash decor items from Amazon, and this package right here is from Dollhouse. It's lash products, and I think I have lash apparel in there too, so let me dive right in already. So I'm gonna start with the smallest to the biggest. I'm not sure why they sent me this in a different packaging than the box, but let's see what is in here. I got these little, what are they, little clouds that are razors. I don't know if you can see that, and it just cuts. Oh my god, that would have been horrible if I cut my leg. It just cuts packages so much easier. I have some here and some at the house. If you guys are interested, I do have an Amazon storefront where I will be linking these new items and just random things that I bought on Amazon that I love, so check out the link below. What are these? Oh, I know what these are. So these are cable organizers. Oh, this magnet is so strong. So the long ones are magnets, and then the little ones have magnets on the back. Essentially what you do is you put your iPhone cable, any type of cable, through this. You connect this one. It has like a sticky thing on the back. You put it on your desk, whatever. I'm gonna put it on my little Alex drawer, and then you can organize your cables. This is so much better than how I have my cables organized right now, and it's so cute. The white is definitely gonna match my Alex drawer. It's not an Alex drawer, I got it from Michael's, guys. I'm gonna open this one last because this one is heavy and I know it has glass in here, so I don't want it to fall and break or anything like that. So let's open her up. There's so many things in here, I don't even know where to start. So I'm just gonna grab the shoe covers. I've had these in my studio for the longest. This is my first time purchasing a new set of them. So when my guests come in the studio, I do require them to take their shoes off before laying in the recliner. If they don't want to take off their shoes, I have these ready for them. My kids help me. They come like this, and my kids help me unravel a pair like this and then just wrap it up nice and cute. I have a little basket for my guests down there, and they can just pick one up and the pair's already there versus having them just like this. So I needed a restock on these, so that is for my guest. This little box right here is so heavy. I think it's a little glass container for some treats. It is a little candy box. That's what it's called, but it's just like a little glass container. Hopefully it didn't come broken. So pretty. Oh my god. Wow, this is how it looks. It's so pretty. That like gold color is just to die for. So back there I do have like little treats for my guests. I have a waters and mints, and I also am now going to start offering for my guest, does it say here, strawberries, and look what it says, all pink, my favorite. Let's open her up. So there's 6 of these packets of pink Starburst. Guys, everything good in life is pink. I got another little glass container because in one of them I'm going to put my mints that I have been carrying for the longest time here in the studio, and in one of them I'm going to be placing the pink Starburst. Ooh, so pretty. Look at the design on this. So here's this one, and then this one. Look how pretty they look next to each other. I also got some little mascara wand covers. These I love to carry here in the studio to give out to like new guests, or if someone purchases an aftercare kit, I'll gift them one of these. It's just to keep their little spoolie nice and protected in their purse or wherever they throw their little spoolie. And it has a cute little pink eyelash little sticker right there. Can you see? Da, 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 da. On to the next. So this is just going to be my iPhone holder. I do go live on Instagram on Wednesdays, so if you guys want to catch me live, ask me questions in live time, go over to my Instagram. It's spelled Jesicavxo, the same way it's spelled here. But I got this little stand to take home because I do want to also start going live on Saturdays, maybe like a tipsy live or something like that. And I need a phone stand, so when I am, oh, I love this, it's so pretty. So when I go live at home, I can have a place to hold my phone and I could go live. So this is fun and so pretty, and look at that. The last thing in here is my calendar. So I do have one above my checkout area. I like to have like an actual physical calendar so I can, like, you know, ring up my guests and we can see what day they need to come back. It's just easier that way. So whenever they're like, oh, I want to come back in 2 weeks, let's say today is Wednesday the 7th, I could be like, okay, on the 21st, let me see what I have available. It's just easier, like I said. And then if they want to book out more in advance, we have like a little calendar down here that I can, like, again, 1, 2, 3, you want to come in 3 weeks, so on and so forth. I just feel like a calendar is essential in your studio, just so you know, you can have that visual representation of what day it is. And it's a calendar, you guys know what calendars are for. So I also buy my water from Amazon. It comes with 24 water bottles, 4 little packets of 6 water bottles. So when I started offering water was the first day I opened my studio, but I did not offer Fiji. I just would purchase water, regular water from Kroger and bring it. But now when I can upgrade little items in my studio to make it look more luxe and just to offer my guests the best experience, I'm gonna do that. Also, Amazon drops off the water here, so I don't have to be hauling it from my car. But yeah, I'm gonna switch that up. I'll show you guys when I add my Starburst and my new little glass containers over there. But it's time to open the Dollhouse package. This is like the package that I've been waiting for, because in here we have Lash apparel and lashes. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Okay, so I did purchase single lash trays because I got sent over from Top Shelf Beauty one of their trays in 11 millimeters, and I was obsessed with their 0.3 lashes. So I was like, you know what? I need to purchase them in single trays, like single lengths, I mean. I was also going to purchase their Decor, but they didn't have like 3 lengths. I think they were sold out of like 10, 11, 12. And I was like, I can't skip from like 9 to 13. You just can't do that. So I was like, let me hold off. Whenever they restock, I'll go and purchase their Decor. But so I have right here all of the lengths that I usually use, which are 9 millimeter, 10. I told you I have 11 over there, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I also purchased their little lash acrylic tile. As you can see back here, right there are all my lash tiles, and I have Untamed Artistry and Maven, the Lay Low palette. But since these are all Dollhouse, I wanted to get a Dollhouse lash tile to put these in. This is so cute. Let's open her up. It's like a little present. So let's untie this bow right here. This is so cute. It says Dollhouse. Can you see? I hate when the camera's so far because I don't even know if it's focusing or not. But it says Dollhouse, and it's a little cute black ribbon. Let's start with this one. I got it in large so it can be oversized. Look at her. It says Till Death. And then it's like little skeleton hands with tweezers. And they actually hand bleached this. Beautiful. There's like no holes. Sometimes one little hole right here, but that's like to be expected. But not bad, because of course bleach like eats the fabric, but there's like almost no holes on this bad boy. So make sure when you wash shirts that are bleach, you know, tie-dyed or whatever, just try not to wash them that often, because the bleach of course eats fabric. So you don't want it to like grow holes, even though it looks super cool when it has holes, because you know that Yeezy vibe with t-shirts that are ripped up are in. And then I got the Till Death hoodie. How cute is this? Oh my god, I love it. Again, same print, Till Death, and it's just a crew neck. Did I say hoodie? It's not a hoodie, it's a crew neck, and I can't wait for fall to wear this. Of course, I'm just gonna probably wear this now at home, like when I shower, and just wear it around the house. But this is perfect for like Halloween, which is coming up July, August, September, October, in 3 months. So I'm so excited. Before I go, I do want to remind you guys that I obviously didn't purchase everything in this studio in one day. So don't think you have to go out there and purchase all the tiles, all the lashes, all the tweezers. Start off with the basics, with the necessities, and little by little invest back into your studio. Time, money, and trust me, in literally no time, your studio is going to be your dream studio. It's still taken me years to, you know, invest in different things, but once I start investing in them and I have the budget for it, I just keep it up. I keep it up, and I do want my guests to arrive, them feel like this is a luxurious space, because the service is luxurious. I want them to feel at home, comfortable, and welcomed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, share it with a lash friend. Let's share the love. If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I could know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also quickly subscribe to my channel. If you click my face that just popped up, you're subscribed to the channel. And if you want, go watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. I love you. Bye.